Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Miss Honey and today I am showing you how I do a Flexi Rodset on short to medium natural hair. I'm using all Creme of Nature products, the Moisture and Shine shampoo, the intensive conditioning treatment, the Style and Shine foaming mousse, and the Strength and Shine leave-in conditioner. And the heat protectant that I'm using is the Cantu Shea Butter Thermal Shield Heat Protectant. And the blow dryer that I'm going to be using I got from Sally's Beauty Supply maybe 2 months ago. It was on sale for $30 and it comes with 2 attachments. So I'm going to wash my hair and get started. So if you want to see, continue watching. Looking real suspect. I'm gonna keep going now. I'm gonna show you the results either way when I take these down tomorrow, so we're gonna see. See, this is what happens when you watch tutorials and you think that you could do it. Because it just looks so easy. Like I said, we gonna see. Now, I'm gonna show y'all either way if it's fail or, you know, hit or miss, pass or fail. We gonna see. Y'all learn with me. My best friend does this hairstyle all the time, and hers always comes out cute. I'm trying to focus on the ends because you know that's the part that you want to stick. And I probably should have tried to get another color, but when I went to Sally's, they didn't really, they had all the big ones. They didn't have the smaller ones. So these are like a 10 by half, 10 by 9. But the hashtag of the day is we gonna see. And it comes in, there's 10 in the pack. I mean, not that I'm going anywhere tomorrow, but still, this is a good, you know, something different to do with your hair if you're tired of doing, you know, twist outs and braid outs. Although you don't want to put a lot of heat on your hair, so some people might not want to blow out their hair that much. So if you blow out your hair like once a month, this would be a good style to do. Now, I've did perm rods before on my natural hair, but I haven't tried Flexi rods on my hair. Okay guys, this is the final preparation of my hair. I used 19 of these on my hair, and I finger parted, and I used this to set the style, and this is the final look. So I have no idea how this is going to turn out, but I'm going to leave this in overnight for about 7 hours, and I'm going to use a scarf to put over my head, and you will see the final look tomorrow. Alright, now this is the moment of truth. We're going to take these out. My hair is fully dry. We're going to see. Jeez. I know y'all see my highlight. I know. It's Tarte mixed with Maybelline Master Chrome highlights. I know you see it. I know. So, I think they're all out. A little stiff, I don't know. Do one more. Definitely a little stiff. See? The foam make my hair hard. My hair feels dry. There you go. So I'm gonna use that to coat my fingers. Like I'm like kind of in the rush to go somewhere, but like I just wanted like something simple, and like this highlight is giving me life because what I did was I put on the Tarte, and then I put some setting spray on the brush, and then I used the Maybelline Master Crumb highlight, and it's just giving me life. So I'm kind of like not even like swole if my hair don't even come out right, but I am low-key swole because like I got to do this again. But I told y'all I will let y'all know either way if it was a pass or fail. So I seen some people like separating it, but then I seen some people not separate it. So I don't know, but mine's is a little stiff and I ain't feeling it. And then I think I did too much of the big pieces whenever I got in the back. Like I said, I did perm rods before, but only on, flexi rods before, but only on weave. I never did it on my real hair. But that mousse got my hair like hard. So I don't know if I put too much. So this is my first time doing these flexi rods on natural hair. And I told y'all I would do it, you know, either way. I don't know. It's like I got somewhere to be, so I can't really like do what I want for real. And because my highlight is so booming, I'm not even really mad, but I kind of am, because I'm like, you be having like the picture in your mind of how your hair is going to turn out, and then reality sets in and it's a fail. So I don't know if that mousse, it just make my hair hard, and it's just like I use this leave-in conditioner and it's a spray, so I probably should have used like something else that I usually use that's more moisturizing to my hair. And then I got this busted pick. Look at this, it's missing two little things on it, but this is gonna do for today. Shea beats. So if anybody has any suggestions or tips of what I should have did differently, please leave them in the description, the comment section below. And yeah, so I just put a bobby pin like right here, just so it can have like some type of style. And I don't really put anything on my edges. I like the natural look. So yeah, this was a fail. And yeah, so let me know what you guys think. Any advice, tips, what I did differently. I could have maybe used Maybe I could have used smaller ones. So, yeah. This is the final look, guys. And my hair just feels like I need to just start all over and wash it again. So, check out my Instagram for the pictures. Till next time, guys.